Susanna Haavisto, Security Awareness Consultant. Games, both video and board games. Romance scams. To talk about a safer internet for everyone, especially kids and young people. To protect yourself and your loved ones. Alright, first, learn how to create strong passwords and always make a unique one. Second, set up multi-factor authentication where it's available. If you don't know what that is, ask someone who might know, like your parents. 3, be a skeptic. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Think before you post. So always be mindful of what you share on social media. When it's on the internet, it's there forever. 5, learn about cyber and always ask for help if you need it.